Today's pet news has been brought to you by iVet Professional Formulas, quality pet food at a fair price, available only from your veterinarian.
Hello, I'm Kate Cohen, and here's today's pet news brought to you by MyPetCareTV.com. Veterinarians are expected to know something about every animal, but as our medical research on animals improves, so does medical care for our pets. More and more veterinarians are growing biases towards specific species or even specific breeds. This is good news for pets, as there are more board certifications handed out by the veterinary boards. The result is a deepened understanding of your particular pet. The bottom line is that your pet has full access to all of its healthcare needs. Folk medicine poses a threat to wild dogs. More than half of all wild canine species are harvested for traditional folk medicines. For example, wolf parts are eaten to treat chickenpox, while jackals are used to treat epilepsy and asthma. In addition, more than 100 species of primates are used in traditional medicines and religious rituals. This type of usage is putting quite a stress on these wild animal species. The good news is the wild dog species have historically shown great resilience repopulating. A recent report reveals issues of deficiencies in horse management. The research showed that most horses did not receive the recommended 2 to 25% dry matter intake daily. In addition, many horses were fed only a small amount of hay, and some consumed more grain than hay. And although most horses were given supplements, very few owners received advice from equine nutritionists regarding their choices. As a result, most horses in the study had nutritional deficiencies such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Sodium chloride levels were also low due to lack of access to a salt block. That's today's top stories. Log into our social site to connect with other pet owners and veterinarians to get important information about your pets. And don't forget to visit mypetcaretv.com tomorrow for the latest stories. I'm Kate Cohen. See you then.